asking me, well, we admire the way you support my husband. I don't support him. That's my job. It is not a privilege. It is his right for me to do so. And I'm not going anywhere. Because unless the Lord calls him, or he calls me, that's my job to the end. That's why he left his parents and gave to me. And he gave me wonderful sons. And he's a good husband. And the deputy president, the people's deputy president, and now I chose him. I have never impeached him. So he's still my deputy president.
That's right.
You are watching Pacific Waves Television USA, a place of nourishment.